So here we have your basic standard toilet. I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your basic standard toilet. First, you're going to start by shutting off the angle stop. This is what supplies the water to the tank. You can see inside it's got a lot of water. And inside here it's got water as well. So both the tank and the bowl. What we do first is flush it and get as much of the water out. You'll still have some water in there. What we'll have to do is get the shop vac. That's a wet dry vac, and extract the water from the tank and extract the water from the bowl. We'll also have to remove these bolts here on each side, and obviously underneath here. We're going to have to disconnect this here, and we'll replace this as well. Okay, so here we got our prep area, we got our shop vac here, and then we have our... So we've extracted all the water now from the tank, from the bowl. Again, we're going to remove the bolts down here, clean it up, and mount our new toilet. Okay, so now we got the toilet off. We have the wax ring. We're going to remove this here. That wax ring. Just dump it in the toilet. We got to remove this here. And we're going to clean up all this pretty much nice and clean. All this stuff around here. Everything around here. Alright, you can see the flange. This is where we're going to place the bolts. Right in here. Here and here. You can see we cleaned it up pretty well. And we want it to be level as possible. So when we mount the toilet, we'll put a wax ring, bolts, the base of the toilet, and then connect everything together. So here we got our wax ring, new on there. We've got our new bolts. You want to make sure you bolt down. You see that bolt on there? That nut on the bolt? Right there. You want to make sure that you strap that thing down to the flange. The flange is that red circular, red and black thing around. This is what holds your toilet bowl down. So if your toilet's moving around, it's because you got a busted flange or something's going on with it. So there you got it. Toilet's installed. Got the caps. We just got to seal the sides with the caulking. Clean it up. There you got it. Toilet installed. Fix it. Ask the plumber online. Thank you and have a good night.